Well, brief.
Hello, I'm James, and I don't waste time with hype. If you're here, it's because you're looking for real answers, not empty promises. In a market flooded with miracle pills and flashy claims, it's tough to know who to trust. That's why today, we're taking a serious, data-based look at Mitolyn, a supplement that claims to unlock your body's metabolic tower by targeting your mitochondria, the fat-burning engines inside you. Sounds promising, right? But here's your first warning. There are countless fake sites mimicking the real one. One wrong click and you could be throwing your money away. This video is about the facts. No gimmicks, no fluff. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll know exactly what Mitolyn is, what it isn't, and whether it's worth your attention. And if you do act, only use the official link in the description and pinned comment. Let's dive in. Let's break this down. Mitolyn isn't just another generic fat burner. It's built on a scientific premise that your mitochondria, the powerhouse of your cells, play a critical role in how your body processes fat and energy. As we age, mitochondrial function slows, making it harder to lose weight and stay energized. Mitolyn claims to address this directly with a blend of natural ingredients like calcium pyruvate, acetyl L-carnitine, and alpha-lipoic acid. These compounds are linked to enhanced cellular energy and fat metabolism. Now, this doesn't mean you'll shed pounds overnight, and that's a good thing. Unlike shady products that promise miracles, Mitolyn positions itself as a support tool, not a magic wand. That alone sets it apart. It's about optimizing internal processes, not manipulating surface symptoms. And that's where real change starts, from the inside out. Imagine waking up feeling sharper, lighter, and more in control of your energy. That's the potential Mitolyn taps into, not by overstating claims, but by aiming at a real problem: mitochondrial decline. The ingredients aren't random. They're selected to help your body do what it was meant to do: convert fat into energy efficiently. That means more natural energy during the day and better support for healthy weight management over time. The blend also includes antioxidants, which may help reduce oxidative stress, another factor that slows metabolism. When your cells function better, everything improves, from mood to focus to physical performance. That's what makes Mitolyn appealing. It's not chasing gimmicks, it's working at a cellular level. For those serious about long-term change, that's a compelling advantage. And again, it's all laid out clearly. No hidden blends, no magic tricks. Just a straightforward approach to better health. Here's the bottom line. Mitolyn doesn't promise miracles, and that's exactly why it deserves your attention. It's built on science, not superstition. If you're tired of products that overpromise and undeliver, Mitolyn may be the shift you've been looking for. Is it for everyone? No. But if you're committed to real, long-term improvement, starting at the cellular level, then it's a product worth considering. But remember, only the official site is safe. There are fake copies and scam sites out there, and clicking the wrong one could cost you more than just money. If you're ready to move forward, use the official link in the description and the pinned comment below this video. That's the only way to access the authentic product and any guarantees that come with it. Stay sharp, stay informed, and until next time, take care of what matters most: your health.
Well, brief.
Now that you've heard my honest opinion about Mitolyn, let's talk about why getting it through the official website, the one in the description and pinned comment, is the only move that makes sense. You're not just buying a supplement, you're getting a formula manufactured in the USA, inside an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility using high-precision equipment under sterile conditions. Every capsule is 100% plant-based, soy-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, and tested by third parties for purity. That means no guesswork, no shortcuts, and no hidden junk. It's designed to support mitochondrial function, the part of your body responsible for how you burn fat and produce energy. The process is simple, but the quality is non-negotiable. When you choose Mitolyn, you're choosing something built with purpose, and that's where we start. When you order through the official site, you'll see 3 clear options. A single bottle, great if you're starting slow. The 3-bottle pack, which comes with 2 bonus books at no extra cost. And the 6-bottle pack, the most cost-effective option, with the same 2 bonus books plus free shipping included. No hidden subscriptions, just one-time payments. What if it doesn't work for you? You're covered by a 90-day money-back guarantee. That's right, return even the empty bottles and get your full refund. No questions asked. That level of confidence isn't common in this industry, and it speaks volumes. Everything about the experience, secure checkout, real bonuses, simple options, was designed to respect your decision. If you're going to try something, make sure it comes with clarity, structure, and accountability. That's what this offer delivers. Thousands have used Mitolyn, and their stories reflect more than numbers. People aged 18 to 80 report real changes. Not overnight miracles, but gradual, sustainable results. One testimonial tells of stubborn fat that no diet or workout could fix, until Mitolyn entered the picture. Now, the most common questions: is it safe? Yes, it's plant-based, soy-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, and made under strict quality control. How should I take it? 1 capsule daily with a glass of water. How many bottles should I get? If you're over 35 or have excess weight, the 3 or 6 bottle packs are recommended for lasting results. And no, this isn't a subscription. It's a one-time purchase. What happens if it doesn't work? You've got 90 days to find out risk-free. Simple questions, clear answers. Because trust starts with transparency. You've seen the facts. You understand the offer. Now it's about making a decision that respects your goals. Mitolyn was built for people who want more than hype. They want something that makes sense. Just one final note. Beware of fake websites. Only the official link in the description and pinned comment is safe. That's where you'll find the real product, real bonuses, and the official guarantee. Now, if all this helped you, if it brought clarity, saved you time, or gave you a path forward, we truly appreciate your support. This video took serious research, hours of review, and a commitment to honesty. If that effort meant something to you, reward it by subscribing, liking, and sharing it with someone who needs this too. That small gesture helps us keep doing things the right way. Stay sharp, and until next time, take care.
Well, brief.